We'll guide you through how to set up your Stripe account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Stripe website and click on the Start Now button to begin the registration process. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, full name, and create a password. After that, click on Create Account to proceed. Next, you'll receive a verification email. Open your email inbox, find the email from Stripe, and click the verification link to confirm your email address. Once verified, log into your Stripe account using your credentials. Now, you'll need to provide some business information. Go to the Activate Your Account section, and here you'll be asked to fill out details like your business type, industry, and website if applicable. You will also need to provide your personal details such as your name, date of birth, and home address for identity verification purposes. Make sure this information is accurate to avoid any issues. The next step is to set up your bank account where Stripe will deposit your payouts. Navigate to the Bank Details section and enter your bank account number and routing number. Double-check to ensure these details are correct. After that, you can set up two-factor authentication for extra security. Go to the security settings and choose your preferred method, either via SMS or an authentication app, and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once you've filled out all the necessary forms and verified your information, you can submit your application. Stripe will review your information and notify you once your account is ready to go. With your Stripe account set up, you can now start accepting payments. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.